readings are optimal.
Agreed. The transition is successful.
All platforms stable. Continue transport on schedule.
Sector Lima, clear.
The vitals are stable, but look at the lactate levels here.
It's slightly elevated, but within acceptable parameters for now.
Muscle density scan complete. Readings are stable.
Sedation is prepared. Moving to administration.
Look at this tear right here. Yeah, that one's no good. Toss it. All right, keep it steady now.
Clear on this side.
Send the next one down.
Check the flow rate on the far side.
Looks consistent, but keep an eye on the temperature gauge.
Keep the scan steady across the center.
Got it. Reading confirmed on the tablet. Texture on this one feels right. Yeah.
Yes, and the color matches the order. Let's pull these.
The scan is complete.
Excellent. The consistency meets the standard.
The viscosity is holding steady at 400 centipoise. Good. The mixture looks perfect. We can initiate the transfer sequence. Check the color saturation now. It's perfect, right on formula. Are we good on the pressure for the green ones? Yeah, it looks perfect now. Keep it moving. Make sure the grade labels are visible. Got it. This one goes to box 3.
Looks like we have a heavy load coming in.
Yeah, the sensor readings match the manifest.